Hey guys, today I'm going to be dividing this cordyline that has been overwintering in my house. Let's see what we're working with. So I begin to slice away at the roots gently. I'm just trying to loosen them up to see what I'm working with, and then I'm going to start loosening up the dirt to try to keep as much of the roots intact as possible. I'm so glad that the soil is falling away from the roots pretty easily because I do want to reuse it. At this point, I'm trying to find pieces of the cordyline where it can just come apart more gently than just ripping it apart. Boom. See that? Roots. Well, so much for not ripping it apart. Some more. I believe I counted 7 plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. I could plant these two together. All of them have roots. That's good. Could just... There we go. Not bad. plants from the one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell to be notified of future videos.